He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Hey, today we're doing a simple cook on the Recteq Bullseye, okay? We got some drumsticks that we're going to be cooking today, and I'm going to be smoking them low and slow with just some simple SPG. But the test today is that we're going to take a couple of the drumsticks, and we are going to brush them with some duck fat, okay? So we're going to see how the duck fat changes the flavor, if at all, of the drumsticks, if there's a moisture difference in the drumsticks. And we're going to see if this is definitely worth buying. Now, this is, of course, the version in the jar. You can also get a spray version of duck fat also, okay? So, hey, no further ado, let's go ahead and get these drumsticks prepped up and get them on the bullseye. All right, guys, so we have five drumsticks here, and I'm going to take two of those drumsticks and I'm going to coat them with some duck fat. All right, so this is the duck fat we got. Epic rendered duck fat. Okay, first time using this. See if it provides any additional flavor or moisture. So well, all we're gonna do is we're gonna brush this on the exterior of the drumsticks, like so. I don't want to put too much oil on it, but I do want to put enough on, at least to one, act as a binder, and two, see if it adds any additional flavor or moisture or what have you, okay? All right, that's good. All right, next we're going to season all of our chicken, okay? So these are uh, our, our plain chicken, just normal, and this is our duck fat chicken. So we're going to hit them with SPG because we don't want any kind of additional flavor to mask what the duck fat might do. All right, and then we're going to hit our plain chicken legs. Simple cook today. All right, so these are ready for the smoker. Let's see if she's ready. All right, guys. So the bullseye is up. It's at 225 degrees. So we're gonna go low and slow today. We're gonna put our chicken legs with the duck fat on this side, and we're gonna put our normal chicken legs on this side. Okay, so we'll be back in a little bit. All right, so our chicken legs have been on the smoker for a little over an hour at 225 degrees. They're looking good. Let's go ahead and temp them out. 197, 200, 207. So they're ready to come off. All right, so let's get them off. All right, we got our three regular chicken legs. Oh, they look good. And we got our two chicken legs with the duck fat. All right, let's have our taste test. All right, guys, so I hope you can hear me. The wind's kind of blowing out here today, and then the tents are making all kind of little squeaking noises, so hopefully we can get this review done, okay? So these three over here are the regular chicken drumsticks, just with SPG on them, okay? And the two over here are the drumsticks that we brushed with duck fat, all right? So let's see what we got here. First, see how if there's any difference in the smell. There's no difference in the smell, but I can tell right off the bat that the ones with the duck fat on them are a lot more juicy. Got a lot more juice to them. They're a lot moister from the touch. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's have a taste test and let's see. We'll taste the regular one first. Now, man, that regular one is a great chicken leg, right? It's got some. It's not dry. It's got some moisture in it, but it's a little bit. The skin is really bite through, and it's got some great SPG flavor, as we knew it would. Okay. All right. Let's have a bite of the one with the duck fat, and I can look on the cutting board and see that the ones with the duck fat have a little bit more moisture. Okay. So what I can say about the one with the duck fat is that it has much more moisture than the normal chicken leg. That duck fat added a nice additional amount of moisture to the chicken legs, okay, even though they both all were cooked at the same temperature, right? I don't taste a whole lot of difference in the flavor, but I gotta say that the moisture level is fantastic, okay? Let me take one more bite of the duck one and see if I didn't miss anything. I gotta tell you that the moisture level of this chicken leg is a stark contrast to this one here. So if you like your chicken legs uh, with a lot of moisture in them, the duck fat will definitely add that to it. If you like yours a little bit drier, but still technically moist, then cooking them the regular way is fine. Okay. Um, you can get, like I said, duck fat in either the jar like we had or in the spray version. Okay. Um, so let me kind of take the 3-4 categories and kind of see which one I think won. Okay. So as far as bite through skin or crispy skin, I think that the normal chicken leg won that one, even though this one had bite through skin. Also, you can tell the difference in the bite because the additional moisture from the duck fat made this skin just a little bit softer than this skin here on the regularly smoked chicken. Okay, um, so normal chicken wins that one. All right, moisture level, the duck fat wins it hands down. Okay, it's has a cascade of moisture when you bite into it. So as far as moisture content, the duck fat one wins. Flavor, um, they are about the same. Okay, so I think they both are good. So there's no difference. I think it's a tie as far as flavor goes. Okay, some people say you're supposed to be able to taste some difference if you use duck fat. Maybe I didn't use enough. Okay, or maybe it's a different type of duck fat. I'm not quite sure. But all in all, both of these came out fantastic. I think it just depends on how you like your chicken. Okay, and so if you're cooking drumsticks and you got people that want something that's really moist, use the duck fat. And if you want the regular uh, smoked drumsticks, I think you can't go wrong with that either. Okay. Well, hey, let me know what you think. If you used duck fat before, leave me some comments down in the bottom. And how would you use it additionally in any other cook or using it on any other meat? Okay. We do have some Wagyu tallow up there too, and we're going to be using that Wagyu tallow on a cook in the future to see how that plays and makes a difference in some beef or some pork. Okay. Well, that's all we have time for. If you guys are interested in some Bad Beast Barbecue merchandise, hey, check out www.badbeastbarbecue.com. And if you guys are interested in a Recteq smoker, hey, check out recteq.com. Okay, fantastic grills and fantastic customer service. Well, that's all we have time for today. So like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there or some chicken drumsticks posing as a little quack quack. Hey, as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker. Talk about moist. Wow. Made a great difference in the moisture level. See you guys in the next video.